Mosha kanjani bathini Disemotweni Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Emo Training all the time, and I'm your boys in Roy Stacks, aka Superlord, Toss Rockstar, and I'm chilling with my boys in Umbizi, Uri, Minister of Insula. But yeah, Fetu, this is our 33rd episode, and I just want to start off on a sad note. I just want to say RIP to Mninawa, RIP to Slindo Kuhle Mchophele, aka Umiko, the youngest member of the group, dog. Mni Jajan. This shit is sad, bro. Shit is sad, bro. But yeah, this is a tribute song to you, my guy. Cause I've been through a lot of shit in my life, seen a lot of shit with my eyes. Now I got too much shit on my mind, and that shit fucks me deep inside. And when I'm not feeling alright, and when I wanna clear my mind, I roll me up a blunt and get high. I roll up a blunt and get high, yeah. If you're going through a rough time, going through a tough time, smoke your weed and get high. You gon' be alright, but things take time. You gon' be alright, but things take time. Things take time. If you're going through a rough time, going through a tough time, smoke your weed and get high. You gon' be alright, but things take time. You gon' be alright, but things take time. Things take time, yeah. Peace. Oh love, if it could be a papandla, dog.
Hey, puti.
It's really bad, dog. It's so like long. This year, dog, this year has been. Talk about be leap year this year. Shit has been worse, dog. Like
I could show if I'm not going.
Like shit is just getting worse, dog. Like I feel like when you try leap year, then I believe it, but this is a real ass leap year, dog. Like shit is happening, dog. Shit is actually getting worse, dog.
It's fucked up, man.
But yeah, fair too, in all of the bad shit that's happening out there, let's try to focus on the positives, you know, because positives is the only thing that keeps us going on. The negative shit makes us stronger, but the positive shit makes us keep going on, man.
And when I call it like when social is negative.
Have you noticed, dog, that when people do you right, ne? It's normal. But when people do you wrong, but like you just even forget the bad time, the good times that you had with that person, and well, they're like, I don't know, dog. I think that needs to change, dog. I think people must start to like actually treat it as a 50-50. If that person treat me good, dog, I want that to be because when people talk shit, dog. Mhlawumbe like umuntu mhlawumbe umtshintshe umuntu then athethe izinto kuthiwa zi-true colors zakhe kodwa like yo bruh,
what did you expect?
What did you expect, dog?
Like
yeah, well, and I've been like, listen here, dog, my true colors are every day, dog.
Hey,
if I'm happy to you, that's my true colors. If I'm fucking sad to you, that's my true colors, dog. Yeah, bro. Just because I was happy and positive most of the time, and now since you give me shit, now the bonus about I can give you shit. Is it true colors?
You like now you literally receive what you like.
Yeah.
To give that one.
Dog, what you see is what you get. What you give me is what you get.
But for niggas to be safe, like, to be honest, because I lost a friend in my way, a friend, a brother in a way, that way. Because cheat, the bone is going to be some great bone that way. But I see clearly when I talk like Yan film.
If in last day, if big bonagala, like big bonagala, hey, short man. If not some kittens, the banner from some bone, the crane, if in our
you respect even now, I'm fair, the way. In a way, yes, like both for nigga, both like in a way, like, see, cherish your life's about maybe appeal like that, not like when they like dead now.
After this thing happened, born and then I realized I just have to be good to people, like,
bro.
Let's treat people good, dog. Like, be good to people. I even born a post on Facebook. To some, I'm a villain. To some, I'm a hero.
Hey.
To some, I'm a bad person. To some, I'm a good person. To people out there, I want you to remember me for who I am to you and who I was to you. In this world we live in, you never know when's your last day.
Yeah.
So enjoy every moment of it and
fam as well.
Be good to people. Yeah.
Like fam, it's not like everybody is gonna love you or care about you, fam. Get that to your head. That's okay.
And most of the time when you it's because they made you do that, dog. Like we as protector now. It's like sometimes when you're protecting yourself, is wrong, dog. But no, I'm just protecting my heart, my ego. Actually, an ego.
Like your anger sometimes could be like yourself protecting yourself. Sometimes lose ego.
But ego plays a huge role sometimes.
Emotions are okay. My family, Abandon will never love you or care about you sometimes. Not like
that's some real shit, dog. That's some real shit. But
good song.
Nobody's here for you, dog. Like nobody's here for you. So you gotta fucking think about yourself, dog. And sometimes thinking about yourself meaning thinking about the people around you.
Yourself, but I can't like the my family does like that doesn't your time, so I can't be like treating you as ikaka when I love myself.
Yeah.
So
because for real, if you treat everyone around you nicely, they're gonna treat you nicely, meaning that you actually treating yourself nicely.
Well, you can't surround yourself in a bad energy. But when easy phandle ke
asikwazi controller
because nyalo we ihlele yobona abantu abaninzi ebuhlungu especially ifam kamfethu
mfethu ngicela unozala
nyana wakho okuqala ubele fam ebuhlungu lo wethu.
That's sad, dog.
That's
sad. But let's moving on to some positive stuff. I just want to say RIP to the kid, RIP to the boy. I'm gonna put his picture up there so you can see him. On some positive things, fair to shout out to Joli Ushe Joliza. Fair. Do you know what happened, dog? Nominated for the Sama Guy 2. Sama Award. Rotmania like a warmer poison. Rotmania is a warmer, dog. Sama Award.
Answer.
2 nominations. Let's give it a quadela Rotmania. You were making us proud, dog. Now landela lucky. Dog, that nigga released an album today. Been bawla si mamela kanjani. React go and no more on the line. Do we think we should do that?
Yeah, fam.
Yeah, later on we're gonna react to some Lucky, his new album, dog. Artists are doing good, dog. But shout out to Choliza, Kusamas. But the sad thing, I didn't see a risk with Summers, dog. Yeah. And for me, dog, like
I suppose about the
Fate was a risk. I don't know if what happened, but I feel like Team Yake didn't submit to Summers. And sometimes I feel like Trailer sometimes as the fans are no ways, dog. Like feel like man, sometimes like it gives us good music, but at the same time his music we just I don't know what's up, dog. But I'm happy to be a slime, dog. And how do you feel about the new mixtape, dog?
That ankavi next
slime got the film now yes funny album a recent to the mixtape, dog. Kill the King.
No, fam.
But let's move on to some crazy ass shit. Let's move to some crazy ass shit, dog. Crazy ass shit. We only most like we got Cardi B and Offset.
Sure.
Sabane, all that shit.
Sure.
Yeah, bro. And then boom, bandu bazingeneza we by hey man, no Offset but choose the sides. No. Ngwe Cardi B poster baba Gren.
Nendoda yakhe upholiwe.
Sanuzingena izinto zabantu bayithu. sanozingeni izinto zabantu abayi-2 dog
and bayenza imali
dog like
what's nje abantu
but I feel like that shit fit is born embracing toxic couples dog yabona like embracing toxicness but at the same time sanozingena izinto zabantu abayi-2 fit when I have so sukungena kwizinto zabayi-2 then it backfired dog
no but deny experience yabantu ongeni izinto zami fan bona
thetha phone tell us what happened dog uzobiza amagama dog uzobiza amagama
but I know mfetla mchite mfetla athethe ill about you mfebona
kuchera
bona yeah bona you don't even fucking know la way
hey
bona la way and say like I don't know bona la way
fet khona nami nase story lo ikhona sasukungena izinto zami fet khona imjita fet anzolibiza igama lakhe mfethi yabo so lo mjita apha mfethi ngichomene naye mfethi high school yabo simnandi I choose every day nimxela yini nami bona as time goes on manje cheram qhoma izinto endizenzayo la we hey lo mnana uyazazi la we soloko lo mnana la we ubona unibuza ngobani hey umbaze lapho abantu lo mnana nenono so as time goes on I found out phone by hey lo mjita is in my DMs ne Cheriam phofu is in DMs the Cheriam thetha ngam thethikaka ngam hey sipho sasibhanqa sakho Lloyd hey iflakaka le hey Lloyd uphume nobani hey Lloyd uzeke ubani like Cheriam dog hey mfethu ndomyeka mfethu so lo mshita bona
molima jita da
naye manje enaphendela izinto zakhe ba hey fonini Lloyd kulewe khona umnana ontouchile yenza umbhayitha ngomsi boom la mnana wantoucha fonini ngokwakhe uthi Lloyd cela sibeze friends with benefits nathi ayitsala ngoku iza ngoku hey lo mnana nyani bhenga poison and you know most mna benthetha namajita ngicela ifoni zekela mnana la and make sure izova le khakha le bayizekile mnana so but the most painful thing is when lamjita bone waxabana nechera yakhe then ichera yakhe yacela indawo lapha kum
yeah kongola nyo
amthini yo vele izekela ngisha then yabo because like ungene izinto I'm like leza momoshela mina yena yabo qoma after like mina can't thetha nothetha mina lawe yabo but yo ikhona nyimini waqala uthetho man ethethi kaka ngami ngoma indigilo I think I've reached a point where man ithethe yonke lewe ithi fun wena usicima undikwazi ba ujonga idi olabuthethi kaka ngami cherry yami uyansnitch up cherry nami no bola cherry zawusithi uzayibhayitha ngongomso lamnana wantoucha what must be friends with benefit ambhayitha wani yo dikiwe fenga lamini fenini qabene
man
qabene
is when like ungcolile kodwa na
we
and nabo wesifet hlala pha kum ereni yangcolile amajet la
bala mjita fone bathi mina fena nakhumula nanyimini mfethu khona imjita wethu yamazi man Paul sayithola lana Zenande Cezulu so fela mna Zenande nambona ba hey fani mjita uyamenzisa la we so mna mfethu ngicela umjita ba hey faneni chera yakho yini yakudyolela mfethu bosungishita wami bona hlala front ngosikhahla lebhola sethu ngicela ifonini amnana loana yakudyolela mfethu
usijona ayijose
hey mfethu boom my song lomnana ngokufana after 2 weeks uza kumxela ba izindoni eziloyd yo noni ezithethayo no hey fonini bandachintshelwa mfethu qoma phini nthethe plus ayenzeka nale way since kumjita mfethu wethu yamalo mjita but azothetha ngaleyo mfethu yabo qoma manje izinto zabantu mfethu azingemna mfethu
but ngena nabo
but in a situation like this mfethu like where uyayibona ichera mjita wakho mfethu banjikisa unyamjita wena also emxelela umjita wakho ba ifun cheraki yabhayithu kanye cheraki yadyola nalomjita
yajola mjita
uzothini mfethu Usuhlale erin chera mfuni ngcelele.
To honestly, we papa to boom na fit.
Inyani
mfethu to a point that in like carbon chip. So
like khaba mjita kelana kelo atswakho.
Send the intended for me or look for me fam like cabbage chip on enchela so we born with
ngolile le kaka le
khaba onye like yeah but you fam like no that
why dog
Sunday like
why dog umkhabela nonjita fan kodwa nguicherry le ikwenze wrong
andizokwazi ukukhaba mate
so okay if you, like you just want to kick someone here but I thinking I be mate here.
I know but like it was the past events
but at the same time like when I would like yeah okay
that's why I mustn't see like I would tell you because why not I saw the inhlele claim like that
yeah
no kwam so ngicela
ngcelele fanini
akwanix
but ngibani shera
akwanix
but ke mfethu le we iyapi le we nyani mfethu nsuka mfethu namtyola nalomnana bentyelwa mfethu yebo achuswa mfethu chomenena lamjito ntyelayo mfethu akangxelelo achus ome ya what I feel like that's betrayal dog like ume kanjani mfethu like bona like ume kanjani achuswa wakhe atyelwe mfethu ayibona funa ba yili
and so you bet
as long as ungabethi macheri thing khade inyulo kaka le khade inyulo kaka
but fam nyam namla when the bomb is a form of a big
betrayal
you can't let your nigga bona ahluphe kodwa ukhona
bona mfethu
a lot of people that asuka bona
but at the same time nyani mfethu ezawe zathanda bona zathanda like backfire mfethu othi uncedo umuntu wena lawe yabo uncedo umjida ba hey kulewe
okay
but masiyeke manje we so and like so thathe ngotyelwa mfethu yaba butyelwa yabo what is the most craziest thing you've done after utyelwa mfethu yo olila macheri guys in hey mfethu
what I done crazy but ndenze ntoni Jota
kumlala mini ukhaba lamjita ebhova la
that's it was in past events I'm like in the community yes thanks jonga la min and that's I mean ngathi ndatachwa nguphe ubulelani malo la back yeah fam and hey dude the check Java bichajini
Java biscuit tafi ay ifune chere Java biscuit tafi dog mlahle
nyanda like
mlahle
nyan
say that again if une chere Java biscuit tafi le mlahle poison she's for the streets poison
booster mpinta nasekhaya jonga effort jonga loyalty fam comes a long way the effort umjita wamayenzi la mempa ipixi brave I knew it made
yo like
but that you must ninsuke esibala mina fam ndangilimisa ibhove
kumula fona shaya ibhova lesibancho
akhule nje aphezulu nje man like nje nenze imdaka igama lesibani because I know I'm gonna do that yeah fam bona ndafika phayezana ngona lo muntu bona and ibhuda bona ibhuda uyibona icartel in the way that like masame people
hey yamsala
uyafuya bona nami ndifuna nahamba
imagine ichere yakho
the whole like
hamba funny
in a way like all I wanted was bona and ajota
funa yabajonga emani yayenzeka le weni and then uphume
that Joe like in a way like bahleli the whole day or the whole night it died once it done nayibona that ikhathe ezindifike bona ndifike bephuma snacks bona bephuma ndafika ifanele uyabena so ngoku isenzekile wena bona yabo is like isenzekile ngoku le wena sendimbuzo into bo mina ngithanda ifuna ufike to the point that ngiphango ukubukubo
yabo
Stakes home I was waiting nje ita engiqhwabe ukuthi hit jen kumna ndiyazi ukuthi wow I'm ready
yayinika funini
bona asike nomnana wangimbethe lo mntana yena ashemgela then mbethe mbami ntoni ngabona like
funini yakudethe chair na ibethe yenye na
yishe mina mpusha kahle nakahle kokwe phansi ngene thanda thuka bona insala uyiboye nje washo but itanda nje inbethe itanda ikhabi ke gogo like nje like I don't know why bona like why masakandi when ngahlobo
na dog the craziest okay take over there
but then like ngoba ukufema uzen ngili umna am fixed extra izinyana tayilena uphuma ezifletini bopha kumsihleli bone eparkini odino man white zalaka izinchep man like amajita man but imeme nzambu ihleli phabo white uthenga ishorti iyazi ntoni thangi lebendi hlengile webo sengina fuck the motherfucker
yakutela nana
yeko onje like busy in the way and like at that time like boningilina
sepakeni kakho sepakeni nani
yeke leni isaneleni ngisanda ithetha mali ya bolini eka la one yeke la hole ya then isanele film bon like I was so confused bon ngam thini enlahlile ta indoni bon like bon like I don't know why like bon like obethele film bon
yabethe man kodwa la
andazi into ngicela man phuma esifletini like wife ebusuku kanjani nathatha nje GPA A1 besibona besise ibe halfway nje like phobo dahla from the right esifletini labe dahla ndayabhekela cala kazaka ngoba that no man nantsibe from eback kolomdala la
really ka
wow like iphinde ebuhlungileni ndicinga ifonto like shit yonke ne ngoku nditsiba feel like nanku lo muntu ta le bra bona bag pha the only thing I do mna ngicela ndihle o ndithini asibona
ubona
man MDC afanele right is that we zebon
ngcolile kaka le
angcolile bra like
fit okay
wrong with that bon
the craziest thing I've done Nancy Prof is that poster about lamnani fit Facebook friend I'm fit fit I'm so embarrassed dog like I'm embarrassed dog like but that poster was lamnani and then when she cheated on me dog it was worse dog tshela abhlungu fit imagine hamana lomnana abawakhe chera akho le nizodibana imjive namhlanje nigodke noyitho leli kuwe kusasa lomnana fanele boom dibana imjive kube mnani ninononi siphine seko achus bethu bona lomna gekho khangla everywhere fela mnana gekho fanele xa nisiva ngomse kuthiwa uwiniwe fanele
bra
zingcolile mangazana
like affects you like after younger la zingcolile
fit then nacho ngiplan Facebook wala Facebook wale kaka la we hey phala kaka ba tamthana umuntu wami la bisikama lomnana mfethu fit kama but before amalamnana nathini you know what amdatsha nathi makaye phakom enze ngathi akayazi ndenze ngathi nazi next yabo qhuma nimphathe nje ugqibele lamnana kaye bona nje bhayithe uqelela ba sekhama yabo so great yenzeke lo weni mkhaphe mina kusasa phuze nithi bye mfethu niphinde nikubone sharp yabo wathi hello yesawuzeti daman funi yazi musiba kwenzeke noni yabo sharp yabo nimxelela bakwenza nona goduka so le kaka boom after a day post le kaka ba hey mntu wami later on that night by post ba hey I love mntu wami kanjani libize igama lomnana and then ngimna ibe notes lamnana mfethu efonini yami and then the poster the comment kula poster tibelele nami izolo Yo, Fed, Pishkas and Diesel and Mahati, funny. Diesel and Mahati, but I fuck it wrong, dog. Don't ever do those things, otherwise, even till this day, like, I regret that. But, like, sometimes out here, to just move on, dog. Move on, dog. Yeah, bro.
Passive and whole like that.
And lamji took jelly phone
call yo.
So like lamji ngxaki lo uvumileyo dog. Yabo. Lo uvumileyo ba fit, yabo. So if you know that nabetha nangoma amachera mamele. Machera mamele dog. Check that song on on Spotify.
Lloyd Sticks.
Dog, machera or mamele dog. But the craziest thing I've done fit ko machera and call me zanjula na, you know. Then one shitela. Boom, na when you chair. Jola nana na one shitela. Broken dog, heartbroken, sad as fuck. Then the tin, Aglaman or Kalanaver, Bamikis after some time, after some time, Aglaman or Kal, Bamikisa, Sabakrene. Amokesa Krenalo, and Chogalone was being, Bamikisa low was being Naver, Ogun Pisna alone, na on fuck. And then I cheated on both of them. Oh fuck! Hey Joe, I'm gonna tell you the names after this, but I cheated on both of them, dog. God, like with both of them, dog. I'm like, that's how you fucking get your revenge, dog. That's how you get your revenge. What? Fuck it on the chair, dog. Yeah, man. Let's close it off with some nice shit, dog. Otherwise, nice catching up with my brother. What do you think about the UEFA Champions League, dog? Who's winning it, bro?
UEFA Champions League this
year. Kiwi team yakazon. Kiwi team yakazon. Kiwi team as France.
Every single year UEFA Madrid okoko eyachiwa ke group stages ne, but iwine like iwina ifana indone, but UEFA lonyaka bona
different, dog.
Predictable in nature.
Predictable like how?
In a way that anyone can win it, like
it's unpredictable. It's predictable because it's unpredictable. We never know what's gonna win all the time.
When Man City ne ohlame, I don't know.
Yeah. I'm fanning nanga I'm not them who get
this. Yeah, when the fucking immense to forward like since was England. But like once he kick in a midfielder, Real Madrid, since like they don't have Tony Kroos. Yeah, he engine Real Madrid England field. People should like by jungle.
By Nigan J Clash, yeah, give it some time. But say cute him because all on a Bayern yeah, fair to like Aston Villa Bayern, dog. Out of all teams. That gets football. Football will fucking kill you, bro. Football will kill you. Football will kill you, bro. Closing off, dog. I don't know. Is Vinny taking it or?
I really don't know. But Vinny could take it.
Could you funny Nimaka 80 banner Vinny's gonna take it, but that's the reason why I believe it, because Napap means Mark Vinny will take it, Messi will take it, and White Hart and on. But I feel like, yeah, we'll see, dog. We will fucking see.
Vinny had the great
episode. Yeah, but some bonus piece about the team, yeah, about learn about who's fucking taking this shit.
Pizza, bias, pizza. You come in book it. Bias bizarre.
I can't like the other one at all.
No, okay.
Bias, Hey, what's up? I'm your boy Lloyd Stacks, and I'm chilling with my boy Uri. This is my brother, dog. Well, it's nice catching up with my bro, dog. Saying some crazy ass shit, but I just want to say thank you for checking out the episode and peace, nigga. Issue, Awema, iyo.